Hello, friends. Welcome to Vibrant Minds YouTube. We are happy to announce that Vibrant Minds is conducting an offline recruitment drive for NEMAP Infotech LLP Mumbai. NEMAP Infotech is hiring for positions of .NET developer, Node.js developer, and Python developer. The approx package offered by the company is rupees 3 lakh to 4 lakh per annum. This drive is organized by Vibrant Minds Technologies Private Limited. Let us have a look at what exactly Vibrant Mind is and what we do. Vibrant Minds Technologies is a campus recruitment, online assessment, and IT training solutions company. We are a bridge between colleges, candidates, and companies. We have assisted 500 plus companies in on campus and off campus hiring for recruitment across India. We are also associated with 2000 plus colleges across India. For companies, we provide recruitment solutions. For candidates, we provide job opportunities. And for colleges, we provide placement solutions. Let us now discuss about the campus drive. This drive includes information about company, job description, eligibility criteria, and how you can apply for that. So the company is NEMAP Infotech LLP. NEMAP Infotech is the 14-year-old end-to-end fastest growing development company having offices in New York, Mumbai, and Pune. NEMAP provides an opportunity for students to learn the technical skills required to get their dream job and also gain experience by working on live projects under the same roof. To learn more about NEMAP Infotech, you can click on the official website that is www.nemapinfotech. Let us now discuss about the recruitment process. The very first stage is offline screening test. The candidates will undergo an offline screening test at Vibrant Minds Technologies Private Limited. The shortlisted candidates will have an online HR round from the company. Shortlisted candidates from this will undergo an online assessment test that is CodeBiter. The next procedure will be online technical test. Shortlisted candidates from this will undergo final interview. If the candidate is from Mumbai location, he or she will have an offline interview at company location. If he or she is out of Mumbai, they will undergo an online interview. So what are the skills required for these positions? Here I have mentioned few skill sets which are required for the position of .NET developer. Just have a look at it. These are some skill sets the company is looking for from the Node.js developer. These are the skill sets which are required for the Python developer position. Now let us have a look at the eligibility criteria for this drive. The educational criteria mentions that the candidate must be BE, BTech, MCA or MSc. The passing year for this is 2021, 2022 and 2023. There is no percentage criteria for this job. Now let us have a look at the salary structure for 3-year road. The salary structure for NEMAP Infotech LLP. NEMAP gives a 9 LPA package guaranteed after 3 years of completion. You can also have a look at the salary structure, which is noted from first year to the third year. And if you complete 3 years with NEMAP Infotech, you will get a loyalty bonus of rupees 1 lakh. If you want to continue fourth year at NEMAP Infotech, you will get a rupees 9 lakh package guaranteed. Here is an incentive structure of NEMAP, which is based on points. These are Amazon vouchers which can be used for shopping, paying bills, recharge, etc. You can reach us and connect us on Facebook, WhatsApp, Insta, and LinkedIn. So let us now discuss about how to apply for this job. The link is mentioned in the video description and you can apply through that link. These are some glimpses of the campus events we have arranged. These campuses were arranged by Vibrant Minds Technologies Private Limited. At the end, I hope a good and active response from your side and wish you all the very best on behalf of Vibrant Minds Technologies Private Limited. Thank you so much.